In this video, we'll be showing you how to backup photos on Google Photos with mobile data. So we're going to open our Photos app, and at the top right corner, we're going to click on the profile icon, and then we're going to go down to Photo Settings. And here in Photo Settings, you want to click on Backup. Now under Backup, under Settings, we have some other options. Now we have Mobile Data Usage, and you can see there, never backup using mobile data. So if you want to start using your mobile data to back up your photos, you just have to click on it. And then currently it's set at no data. That is the limit. So we want to change the limit, say if we want to make it unlimited, so we can have all our photos to be backed up. But it's important to note that when you click on unlimited, sometimes the backup videos over data will also be activated. So what we need to do is to toggle it off. So we only have our photos backed up. But of course, if you want to have your videos also, you could toggle this on. But we will be toggling this off. And now when we go back, we can see mobile data usage, backup photos only. And now our photos will be backed up even with our mobile data. So this is how to back up your photos on Google Photos with your mobile data.